Let's ask Brother John Perez and Parida to please come forward. Okay. You at the front of that chair. Put that chair back at the back. Okay. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to witness the wedding of Brother John Perez and Sister Parida Perez. And we do believe that marriage is a sacred act that was ordained by God and that must be initiated between a male and a female. This was also considered as one among many special occasions which the Lord attended at the wedding of the Cana in Galilee. And this was commended by the Apostle Paul that they which will enter into marriage must treat this as an honorable among all. Praise God. So we have the parents, the loved ones of Parida, and I do believe after this wedding, Brother John will send the videos and the photos to his loved ones